startup which is thinking about that, that opportunity needs to factor in where that stage is in, right? And when you're doing this, the other stage is also starting now. You are starting to find manufacturing adopting industrialization at scale now. You will find physical AI encroaching into every segment of operations which you'll find across factories. And physical AI is 100x, 200x, 1000x more scaled and powerful than what we are seeing. Right? You'll have intelligence on the cloud for what you consume, and then you have intelligence on ground interacting with you across all objects. Everything that moves will be autonomous and intelligent. Right? That opportunity is so substantial. So that's another opportunity space which you, if you're thinking of starting up or at MVP stage, should definitely look at. And this grows. Governments, as you can imagine, has already understood the power of it, and sovereign AI build out is at various stages. And you're fortunate, I'm fortunate, that we are living in India, because across the world now, we are the most unregulated from control system perspective, but good control on AI side. And that's really great for us. We have the greatest biological intelligence in the world with the number of people which we have. We know how to do that. Now you also need to understand this perspective, which is very clear. Your software 2.0 approach is pretty much training the biological intelligence, which your mother did for you and my mother did for me, right? So that's what you are going to do to the next intelligence in the machine. So we can do that. We have the people and the talent, young, starting to build their career, is the core which we have here, who now understands very clearly that the value reduction economy which we built on IT services is not going to sustain. Because when the value is abstracted out into the cloud, there is no allocation. And when further to that, the way of software development is changing to software 2.0, where this thing is there, that doesn't exist as much as it did, and will slowly grow. This is our opportunity, right? And with all this, we still have cost economies, which is far, far lower than any other place. We have the advantages, all the advantages which we had for the SaaS ecosystem, continuing to be there for us. The opportunity in front of you is to make India the